Colombian designer Jose Ivan Perez says he's trying to save lives. He's helping develop what his company Lemur Studios calls the Save One Life device, a shoe insole that detects landmines and sends a warning to wearers that danger lurks nearby.
The
project consists basically of an insole made for your shoe, whether for our local or the armed forces. The concept is a metal detector with a planar coil made of conductive material that sends a signal to a device on the user's wrist. The signal will help them avoid the mine or the explosive device or remove the item.
In Colombia, unexploded landmines are a deadly legacy of decades of civil war. Hundreds of soldiers and civilians are killed or maimed each year. Perez's team hopes the insole will help the Colombian government's mine-clearing efforts. It can be worn with a boot or a shoe and detects landmines at a distance of about 2 meters. Colombia has been fighting guerrilla forces for nearly 50 years, and Daniel Avila Camacho from the Presidential Mine Action Program says the country is paying an enormous price.
Colombia sigue siendo uno de los países más afectados.
Colombia continues to be one of the countries most affected by landmines in the world. To date, over the last 23 years, the country has had more than 10,600 victims throughout the country over this period of time, due to the use of these kinds of devices, which are used by illegal armed groups, especially the FARC and the ELN.
Experts say it's impossible to estimate the number of undetonated mines buried in Colombia's countryside. But activists say more funding should be dedicated to technologies like the Save One Life insole so that thousands of lives can be saved.